Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the chat. You don't need to leave the conversation. First, tap the contact or group name at the top to open chat info. Once the info screen appears, locate and tap wallpaper or chat theme. This begins the removal process. You're choosing where the theme is managed, so make sure you're in the correct chat. If Android or iPhone labels differ slightly, look for any wallpaper or theme icon. That's the control you need to continue. Now that you're in wallpaper or chat theme settings, select Remove Wallpaper or Reset to Default. This deletes the custom theme and returns the chat to standard appearance. If the chat uses a contact-supplied theme, choose Default to override it. This ensures consistent look across devices. Once you tap the Removal or Reset option, confirm when prompted. The change applies right away, so check the chat background. If it still looks different, finish by verifying the chat shows the default background. If the old theme remains visible, restart WhatsApp first, because temporary caching often causes persistence. If restarting fails, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall on iPhone to force a fresh theme load. Make sure to sync backups if you reinstall. If the theme was shared by the contact, ask them to remove it or change their shared theme settings, because some group or contact settings can reapply custom wallpapers across participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.